Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can voice record on your iPhone device. So this is an awesome method if you're planning on just doing some voice memos to yourself that you can listen back to at a later date. Or maybe you're just looking to maybe record a particular conversation or maybe a transcription or something along those lines. So one of the best ways to do this is just to go ahead and open the built-in voice memos app on the iPhone. So I have my voice memos app in this particular folder here, or alternatively you can just drag down and then you can search for memos in here, as this app really does like to hide itself on the iPhone as it's really used. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the voice memos app. Now once I'm in here, it's a very simple and easy to use interface. If I want to go ahead and start recording my voice on the iPhone, simply all I have to do is go ahead and press this red button and then it will instantly start recording. So I'll just go ahead and do that now and just do a little example of how it works. Hey, what's going on everyone? This is just a test of the Apple voice message or voice memo app. And now once that recording is completed, I can then go ahead and replay this. Hey, what's going on everyone? This is just a test of the Apple voice message or voice memo app. Now I can go ahead and click on these three dots, and then I have a few options to copy this, and I can include this on an email address, and then I can also share this via email or text message. I can duplicate it, and then I can also save it to files as well. So there is quite a lot of possibilities of what you can actually do for this particular recording as well. And then if I want to go ahead and delete this particular voice recording, all I can do now is just go ahead and click the bin icon. And then also if I want to go ahead and access my recently deleted voice recordings, I can just go into recently deleted, and then I can access all of these recordings as well. So there you have it guys, that's a very simple and easy way on how to do voice recording on your iPhone device. So if you found this video helpful, or if you'd like to see any other videos like this, please let me know down in the comments section, as I will be happy to help all of you out. So as always, thanks for watching, I'll see you all in the next one.